Good afternoon, peeps. Good afternoon. The next wonderful day on the beach again. It's my NASALINKS check-in again once more. So this afternoon I'm gonna talk about an old monument in Jamaica, the first prison built in Jamaica. So this evening video is gonna be a history video, right? So stay tuned, subscribe, hit the notification bell. So when I post a video, you get notified. Yes, and then along, right? So this prison now was the first jail house built in Jamaica. I guess it was built by the English. It wasn't a prison at first. It was built as a fort. That's a F-O-R-T. Not a fortress. That simply means no, it was actually a defense area, a military area. So I guess to defend this side of the coastline from the invading Spanish. It was actually a defense area at first, until it declared useless in 1795, and it was built in 1750 as a fort, and then declared useless in 1795 because of rising sea level. That's encroaching sea level. And this jail house located in St. Anne's Bay, Jamaica, right on the Fisherman Beach. So my information what I get about this place now, it's an old monument, as you can see, right on the Fisherman Beach. So the fishermen them use it to camp, to build them camp inside and around it. Because you know fishermen, as some of them live some distance away from the beach, so each one of them have them camper them build up. And somebody comment on the first video and said that the government should pay more attention and save this place for a younger generation, and that's true. I strongly believe that. But the government is still have control over this place right now, because it on the Fisherman Beach, and strongly it run by the government. But the little information that's there about this building, I don't know why there is so little information. Only the time when it built and when it becomes a jail house, and what it was before the jail house. So I'm not sure why there's such little information about this, and it's the first prison built in Jamaica, the first jail house. So what me gather from the locals now, the fishermen and the surrounding people, is that after it becomes the jail house in 1795, it was used as a slave market, because this is the channel that the ship will come through, because out in the sea is a channel. I do a video about a blue hole, and I said that's where Christopher Columbus ship sink, down by the blue hole. So it's a channel, and the warehouse is down that side as well too. So you can see everything take time connecting. So the information that I gathered was a slave market, that this is where the slave them would first step off the ship, come from Africa for the slave trade. So all of that would take place at this old jail house. And I kind of heard some things like some hanging business used to take place at this jail house. They used to have a hanger, because that's a nice word to call it, a hanger. And then across the road on the ball field now, is actually a ball field now, they used to have a second hanger. So they move it from the old jail house and take it over by the ball fields. That's a couple chains across the road, a few meters across the road from the old jail house. So this old monument now, there's not a lot about it. So from my experience and my learning about this, I'm just here to share what I think and what I've learned about this place. So this is the first jail house built in 1750, declared useless in 1795. because of encroaching sea level. That's high sea level, like the sea coming to take it over. And then after that it becomes the first jailhouse, the first slavery jailhouse. I'm not sure exactly the type of jailers that it was attracting differently from the slave. And next elder did say to me, say this place was the slavery trade place. So a lot of people die and hang. Black slave die and hang at this location. And the place is a very old monument building. You can see from some of the makings a lot of old cut stone and old boards. You can see some of the building is still visible. That's the information I got about this place still. And what I have learned about this place is that it's a slavery trade area. So this is where all the slave that come at this point in St. Ann will actually come off the ship at first. So it was a big market that they sell slave to go to other plantation on the island, all over the island. And I guess here is not the only place the slave trade take place. I guess it take place in different areas as well, but here is one of the main, because here is St. Ann's, them say Christopher Columbus first dock up, close to this area, very close. And just a couple meters away his ship sink, and there's out by the sea, close to the beach, there's a channel that the ship used to take, the ship route. So at this location, it's an old slavery prison, the first jailhouse in Jamaica, located in St. Ann's Bay and the fisherman beach of St. Ann's Bay. So if anybody else have any info about this place and would like to share that info, please leave it in the comment. Numbers wise on the channel art. You can reach me by email or call or WhatsApp. So anybody have any info to drop, please feel free to leave a comment what you think and what the government should do about this place. Yes, so and the fishermen them, they all own the right to this place as well. So if the government is going to do anything, please include the fishermen as well, because this place could set as a area that you can show our younger children that this is what happened and this is the first thing built in Jamaica. As someone comment on my previous video and said the government should, and I think they should, because this place is actually only 4 line actually line out this place, and it does not give you a direct location where this place actually is. You have to come and ask someone. It does say this place is located in St. Ann's Bay, but St. Ann's Bay is a big place, so it's located on the Fisherman Beach, of St. Ann's Bay, the old jailhouse, the first prison built in Jamaica. This is that old monument. So once more again, peeps, NASALINKS with this update about this old building and what the purpose it was serving in 1795 up and up, and from 1750 the build date to 1795 when it turned into the jailhouse. NASALINKS here I check out now, so remember to subscribe, remember to hit the notification bell for my latest updates. Yes, okay, so NASALINKS I check out.